What we're doing here is just a simple red wine jus. It doesn't take a lot of effort, but it just gives a really great meaty flavour to the steak, and I love that bit of sauce on the side. So let's just prepare it. I'll show you how I do it. First thing we do is we just take 1 cup of red wine. This is actually a bottle of red wine that we were given by our real estate agent when we were selling our house. I don't think it's that good a quality, but it is a Shiraz, so that's what we want. So 1 cup of red wine. And what we're going to do with this is we're just going to reduce it by half. That'll just thicken it up. You can see now it's reduced really well now. It's starting to really thicken up. It'll be down to about half, and we're going to put our beef stock in. 20 mils of soy sauce, a generous spoon of seeded mustard, and a couple of rosemary sprigs. Let's reduce that by half again. We're very close now to having the whole liquid reduced by half. What I like to do at this stage, and it may be frowned upon by some, but I like to add just a little bit of corn flour to thicken the sauce up. I like a thick sauce. And I reckon that's pretty much where we want it to be. Beautifully reduced and beautifully thick. Now what we do is we just strain our sauce. We pour it into our serving bowl, and that is a beautiful red wine jus ready for the perfect steak.